Hey everyone! Alright, so this is kind of a different style loom. This is a FingerLoom. It's one of the rainbow looms that uses the rubber bands. It comes with easy to use finger tools and has some glow-in-the-dark beads. My daughters both got one of these kits too, and they absolutely love it. Okay, so your set comes with 9 different color little finger looms, which if you're doing rubber bands, you put rubber band here, put another one, take the bottom loops over the top, or you can use yarn and E-wrap each peg, take the bottoms over the top, and create little I-cords. You have these hooks you can put at the bottom of them. It comes with a bag of rainbow rubber bands. Comes in a bag of glow-in-the-dark rubber bands. You have directions in here. And here are some hooks to close off your bracelets or whatever you make. Let's have a look at the directions. Okay, yeah. There you go. That's basically how you do it. But you can put them on the opposite way too and do the same thing. And you get just a really cool looking braid. Alright guys, short but sweet. My kids absolutely love it. My 6-year-old has probably made 15 bracelets out of her so far. She's been making bracelets and giving to all the kids in her room at school. There you got the 9 looms. Now, I don't know how much this cost, but this is like a really cool little project because you can use rubber bands on it, but you can also use them as I-cord makers. There we go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Questions and comments, leave them in the comment section below. Of course, I'm going to try to find some information about this, like where you can purchase it, how much it is, stuff like that. So, if I find that information, I'll put it in the video description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on that notification button so that you'll be notified when I have new videos come out. Thanks, guys.